Whether you're creating a backup, switching to another calendar app, or simply want a copy of your schedule, exporting your calendar can be a useful option. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your calendar from Dola AI, what to do if the export option isn't available, and how to make sure your events are safely saved. So let's get started. Start by opening Dola AI on your computer or mobile device and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your calendar and events to finish loading. Next, navigate to your calendar or account settings. Depending on the version of Dola AI you're using, export options may appear under Calendar, Settings, Integrations, or Data Management. Check whether your version of Dola AI includes an export, download, or backup option. If it's available, select it and choose the preferred export format if you're given more than one choice. If you don't see an export feature inside Dola AI, don't worry. Since Dola AI often works by syncing with services like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook Calendar. You can usually export your calendar directly from the connected calendar service instead. Once the export begins, choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the file later. It's a good idea to give the file a descriptive name that includes the current date. After the export finishes, locate the file and confirm that it was created successfully. If supported, you can also import it into another calendar application to verify that your events transferred correctly. If you regularly add meetings, reminders, or recurring events, consider exporting your calendar from time to time. Keeping an up-to-date backup can make it much easier to recover your schedule if you ever need it, and that's how to export your calendar from Dola AI. Whether you export directly from Dola AI or through a connected calendar service, keeping a backup of your schedule is always a smart idea. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.